In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. If you've ever needed to analyze tasks, build reports, or share updates with teammates who live in spreadsheets, this quick export will save you a ton of time. Start by heading to Asana in your web browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team where your project lives, and confirm you have access to view the project you want to export. If you're managing multiple projects, it can help to search for the exact project name so you open the right one. Open the project you want to take to Excel. You can be in list or board view. Either works because the export pulls the project data, not just what's on your screen. Keep in mind that Asana typically includes task details like names, assignees, due dates, custom fields, sections, and tags in the export. Attachments and comments aren't part of a CSV, so plan to reference those back in Asana if needed. Look toward the project header near the project name for a small drop-down arrow or menu icon. This menu houses extra project actions. Click it to reveal more options. From that menu, select Export or Sync. This is Asana's hub for sending project data out to other tools. You'll see a few choices depending on your plan and setup. For getting data into Excel, the most reliable option is a CSV file because it opens cleanly in spreadsheet apps and preserves columns for each field. Choose CSV from the list. Selecting CSV tells Asana to package your project into a simple, table-like format that Excel understands. It's a great choice for sorting, filtering, pivot tables, charts, and any custom analysis you want to run. Now, confirm by clicking Export. Asana will generate the file and your browser will begin downloading it. Depending on your project size, this can take a moment. You'll typically find the file in your default downloads folder. Once it's there, just open the CSV and Excel will launch it automatically. If it opens in another app by default, you can right-click and choose to open with Excel. Inside Excel, each task appears as a row, with fields like assignee, due date, status, and any custom fields as columns. A few quick cleanup tips. Turn on filters in the header row to sort and segment your data. Format dates and numbers to match your region, and widen columns or wrap text so long task names are readable. If you plan to share or build dashboards, consider saving as an .xlsx file after your first edits. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Asana project to Excel and you're ready to analyze, report, and share.